Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2019 Honda CB300R. This naked street fighter sport bike just arrived with only 12,500 miles. Beautiful condition. It's got a real pretty metallic red paint scheme. Fuel injected, liquid cooled, 300 cc's. This lightweight probably gets 70 plus miles per gallon. Come on by, make your lightweight Honda dreams come true for just $49.99. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.